cut two front and back pieces. You will need a 1.5 inch wide elastic waistband. Your waistband length should be 1.5 inch shorter than your waist. Put the right side of the front and back pieces together to sew side seam. The red blinking line indicates where the side seams are. I sewed both sides of the leg hole for the pants. I finished with the serging on the edge of the side seam. Flip one of the leg right side out and line it together with the opposite side. Follow the orange blinking line to sew all around the crotch and hip lines. I finished with the serging on the edge of the seam. Overlap 1/2 inch on the waistband and sew it in a rectangle shape. I put the waistband and pants together with the serging machine. Line up with the marks you made previously with the center front, center back, and side seam on the pants. Stretch out the elastic waistband when you are serging together. I'm going to fold it down on the waist and line up with the center front, center back, and side seam. I finish with the straight stitches all around. Don't forget to stretch out the elastic band when you sew it. Half an inch double fold with the straight stitches on the bottom of the pants.